lock it, okay? All right, and push the cam so you're gonna fuck this up. I can tell it, and I'm gonna come up there and smash you. Don't fuck this up. We can't see the clock. Smash your fucking glasses. Give me you fucking.
Oh my God, are you lactating, Blue Rose? Your titties are lactating.
Lock the microphone, Blue Rose. This is what happens to me. I get fired up and I'm gonna bust something. Next to the little button that has the microphone, you have to put it on, lock it on, okay? And then adjust the cam so we can see the clock, please, so we can record this. This could take a fucking hour.
Right. You gotta see your face.
I gotta see my face.